See this? A once sparkling ring, now dull and lifeless. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy and effective way to clean your ring at home and make it shine like new again. For this DIY cleaner, you'll need some simple household items: mild dish soap, warm water, a soft bristle toothbrush, and a lint-free cloth. That's it. Step 1. Mix a few drops of dish soap into a bowl of warm water. Not hot, just warm. Step 2. Place your ring in the solution and let it soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Gently scrub the ring with a soft toothbrush. Be gentle, we're cleaning, not sanding. Step 4. Rinse the ring under cold water and then dry it with our lint-free cloth. Voila! A ring that's ready to shine at any occasion. Quick warning, this method is great for gold and platinum rings and hard gemstones like diamonds. But please be cautious with soft stones like opals or pearls. They need special care. If your ring didn't get as clean as you hoped, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries, especially if it's been a while. Patience is key. There you have it, folks, a simple, effective, and affordable way to keep your ring shining bright. If this tip saved your ring's life, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more great tips. See you next time.